Mint Mobile to Google Fi. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to switch from Mint Mobile to Google Fi. So let's get started. First, check compatibility. Make sure your phone works with Google Fi and your Mint number is eligible for porting. Then gather Mint account details. Find your Mint Mobile account number on your bill or contact Mint support. Then request a transfer PIN from Mint support via chat or phone. This is required to port your number. Then sign up for Google Fi. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Order a SIM card or use eSIM if your phone supports it. Start the number transfer. For this, during setup, select the option to keep your current number. Enter your Mint account number and transfer PIN. Review all details carefully and submit your request. And then wait for porting to complete. The transfer usually takes a few hours but can take up to a day. Google Fi will notify you when your number is active on their service. And that's all. That's how you will be able to switch from Mint Mobile to Google Fi.